adding and subtracting radicals. When you add and subtract radicals, you need to make sure that when you combine them, they have like radicals. And what you mean that is they have the same index and same radicand. And remember, radicand is what's underneath the radical. So let's look at this first example, A. 3 square roots of 6 plus 5 square roots of 6. Notice that the index are both square root, so that's good. Then our radicand are both 6. So we can go ahead and combine them together because they're considered like radicals. So when we combine them, think of what's out in front of the radical sign as your coefficient. So you add them together as that's the operation. So 3 plus 5 is 8. Then I say the radical goes along for the ride. So square root of 6. So our final answer then is 8 square roots of 6. Now when we come over to example B, if we look at the radicals, they're not alike yet. When I say the word yet, it's because we don't have them reduced form. They're both square roots that have the same index, but they're not simplified. So we need to break down, simplify these radicals. So we want to start with 48. We think, okay, how can we break down 48? We could factor it as 4 times 12. Then we could factor again 4 times 4 times 3. So noticing here is a pair. So when I simplify that, I get 2 square roots of 4 square roots of 4 squared, and then 3. Notice this index of 2 and that power of 2 undo each other, so the 4 is going to pop out. So now we have 2 times 4 square roots of 3. I'm going to run out of room here a little bit. So I'm just going to bring this down, so 2 times 4 in front becomes an 8. All right, so go ahead and change colors. We're going to do the same thing with this 27. We're going to break it down. So we say, what multiplies to 27? Well, 9 and 3 is a great choice. 9 times 3. And you can break down 9 again. That's 3 times 3. And you have one more 3. So 3 times 3 times 3. All right. So minus 3 square roots of 3 times 3 times 3. All right. Same thing as before. We can pop this out. So we have minus 3 times 3. We're popping out that 3. And then we're left with a 3 underneath. All right, so bringing that down. So negative 3 times 3, or negative 3 times 3 is negative 9 square roots of 3. All right, so what we've done so far is we've reduced those radicals down. Now look at them. Yes, they are alike. They have the same index. They have the same radicand. So we can go ahead and combine them. So now our operation is not addition, like the previous example, it's subtraction. So 8 minus 9 is negative 1. And then we bring our radical along for the ride, square root of 3. All right, we'll go a little faster with this one now of adding and subtracting radicals. We're going to break them down. So we'll start with this 18. So 3. Break down 18 as 9 times 3. Square root of 9 is a 3. We're left with a 3 underneath, lots of 3's. So we get 9 square roots of 3. All right, taking care of that one. Now let's head to the square root of 12. When you pop square root of 12 down into a product of 4 times 3, square root of 4 is 2. 3 times 2 is 6 square roots of 3. Last one, breaking down square root of 27. So 27 can be 9 times 3. Square root of 9 is 3. 2 times 3 is 6 square roots of 3. All right. Now let's see if these radicals are all alike. Yes, they all are square roots of 3. So we can go ahead and combine their coefficients. So 9 plus 6 plus 6. So 9 plus 6 is 15. 6 more is 21. The radical comes along for the ride.